Hello everyone, join me today for a little road trip to Vermont where we go to the Ben & Jerry's factory and hop over to Canada for the day to see SleepToken and get some poutine. Let's go find some magic up north. Hi guys, so we're in Vermont right now in an Airbnb. We're staying in Swanton, Vermont. And then we go to Montreal, Canada for a day for a SleepToken concert. So excited. And then we're gonna hang out here the rest of the time. So come along with us on this Vermont/Canada vlog. Here we go. And please excuse the mismatch outfit. I didn't bring many coats. I didn't think it was gonna be this chilly. Obviously we're up north, right next to Canada, but this is all I had. Okay.
Yeah, rip it
Walmart has
see.
Disney Princess in the Funko Pop boxes, miniatures.
I think it's gonna be Tiana.
I think it's gonna be. You see the back?
I think we cheated.
Who was that? Oh man, who's that?
That looks like
Who's this? Trixie Mattel.
straight up.
I want it to be Belle.
It's so tiny. Oh my god, it's Merida.
Oh,
I feel like that's kind of rare.
look at her hair.
I love this. Oh wait, you could take this
Can you
off.
open it?
Yeah, I think. No. Oh.
Don't touch it.
Wait, take it out of the box.
Hold this. How do you do that? Oh my god. Oh.
We should get more.
No. Maybe. How cute. It's so peaceful. It's freezing outside. Mountains are right there. I think those are the Adirondacks. And then this way is Canada. I think that's New York, Vermont, Canada.
Have them just in case.
So exciting. Okay, so there's an app that translates signs when you're in a foreign country, and it converts them to whatever language you need. So that's what we're doing here to see if we can park on the street. Okay, we got a spot.
After the show, ask mommy and daddy for.
We're looking for a place to get poutine.
I'll send you a video.
Gotta. I want to remember it in all of its glory. This is. Yeah? That's so pretty. Okay, there's the venue for the SleepToken concert, and there's already a massive line outside.
Just call him now before it gets any louder. Actually, I'm a big. Oh, my brother got detained. Maybe she won't understand anyway.
Bitch, take me out. Oh, I'm here plugging.
Can I do meals for all of those?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Can I do a meal for all three?
No, you can't do meals with small size wraps, sorry.
So just do 3 fries and 3 drinks. Okay. And then can I just, okay, so then I'll just add 3 fries and then 3 drinks.
Okay, add 3 medium fries, sir?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright,
And then 3 medium Cokes.
3 medium Cokes, okay.
SleepToken was amazing last night. Today we're just having a slow morning, and then later today we're gonna go to the Ben & Jerry's factory. Breakfast with this view. Okay, these are the ticket prices for the tour, but if you're just getting ice cream, you can just go get ice cream. Look at this wall. Oh my gosh. You can get ice cream cakes.
For anybody who may need it coming down the street. All right, that's about everyone. So welcome to the flavor room. This is a very important room for Ben & Jerry's. This is where Ben & Jerry themselves made flavors like Chubby Hump.
Chocolate.
Behind you there. Some strawberry cheesecake today. That is the flavor. It does contain milk, eggs, a bagel, and some cream cheese. I did not like it very much.
Rocks. Is this one yours?
Chunky monkey.
And then I got fish food and oatmeal cream pie.
And I got chunky monkey and then
They have a cannoli one. Yeah.
So at the factory, they have the flavor graveyard, guys. This is where the ice cream flavors go to rest when they're retired. This is so funny. All the retired flavors. Rainforest Crunch. This is so funny. This is not.
and then come down.
Nice.
Nice. And make sure it's like not crazy.
I would have, but
We have the prettiest sunset for our last night here. Welcome to Vermont. So having some fun. We're leaving today. It's been really fun.